This is 29.1 review, and these functions that are given are used in problems 26 to 32. Let's go and look at 29. When you have a composition of functions here, this is read as f of g of 4. We have to evaluate what's inside the parentheses first. So g of 4 means I'm going to plug 4 into this equation. So that becomes f of g of 4 is the same as 6th root of 4. And now if I plug this expression into function f, that means I'm going to take this entire expression, the 6th root of 4, and cube it. Now if I simplify this further, this is in radical form. I'm going to change this to exponential form. This is the same as 4 to the 3 over 6, which is the same as 4 to the 1/2. And then if you go back to radical form, that's the same as the square root of 4, which is equal to 2. On number 30, here we have to evaluate k of 1296 first. So plugging that into here, that's 1296 to the 1/4. And then I'm plugging this expression into function h. Function h, x to the 4 over 2, that's the same as x squared if you reduce that. So I'm going to take this expression, 1296 to the 1/4, and square it. So then that's actually 1296 and 1/4 times 2 is 1/2. So that's the square root of 1296. So here, 1296 to the 1/2, you could type that into your calculator if you want, or if you just know it off the top of your head, this is 36. Okay, now on number 32, instead of giving you the value of x, you're asked if h of f of x equals 64, what would x have to be equal to? So in this case, h of f of x, let's see what expression that would be equivalent to. I'm going to take f of x and plug that into the function h. So x cubed gets plugged into this function. So I take x cubed, and that whole expression is going to get squared. And they're telling us here that it's equal to 64. So x to the 3 times 2 is 6 equals 64. X would have to be equal to 2 in order for that to work.